Hey, I need to go shopping for some new clothes. Want to come with me?
Sure, I'd love to. Where do you want to go?
I was thinking about going to the mall. There's a lot of stores there, so we should be able to find what we need.
Sounds good to me. What kind of clothes are you looking for?
I need some new shirts for work and maybe a new dress for a wedding I'm attending next month.
Okay, let's go. Do you have a particular store in mind?
Not really. I usually shop at H&M or Forever 21, but we can check out some other stores too.
All right. Do you need anything else besides clothes?
Actually, I do need some new shoes. My old ones are getting worn out.
Okay, we can check out some shoe stores too.
Great. I'm also thinking about getting a new purse.
Sure, we can look for that too. Do you have a particular color or style in mind?
I'm thinking about getting a black or brown leather purse. Something that's big enough to carry my phone, wallet, and other essentials.
Okay, we'll keep an eye out for that.
Ooh, I like this shirt. What do you think?
It looks nice. Do you want to try it on?
Yeah, good idea.
While you're trying that on, I'm going to check out this store over here.
Alright, I'll meet you back here in a few minutes. What do you think of this dress?
Wow, it's beautiful. That would be perfect for the wedding.
I know, right? And it's on sale too.
Even better. Did you find any shoes that you like?
Yeah, I found these black pumps that are really comfortable.
Those look great. And what about the purse?
I haven't found one that I like yet. Do you see any stores around here that sell purses?
Yeah, there's a department store down the hall that sells purses. Let's go check it out.
This one is perfect. It's just the right size and it's on sale too.
That's great. Do you want to buy it now?
Yes, let's go pay for everything.
That was a successful shopping trip. You got everything you needed.
Yes, I'm so happy with everything I bought. Thanks for coming with me.
No problem, it was fun. Do you want to grab something to eat before we head out?
That sounds good. I'm kind of hungry.
So, what do you have planned for the rest of the day?
Nothing much. I was thinking about maybe going to see a movie later.
That sounds like a good idea. What movie do you want to see?
I heard that there's a new romantic comedy out that looks good. Do you want to go see that?
Sure, sounds like a fun way to end the day. This movie looks really cute. I'm excited to see it.
Me too. I love romantic comedies.
That was a great movie. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, me too. Thanks for coming with me today. It was a lot of fun.
No problem, I had a great time too. We should do this again sometime.
Definitely. Maybe we can plan a shopping trip for next month when the new spring collections come out.
That sounds like a great idea. I'll look forward to it.
Bye, see you soon.
Bye, take care. Hi, how can I help you today?
Hi there. I'm just looking around, but I might need some help later on.
Okay, no problem. Let me know if you have any questions. We have a lot of great products here.
Thanks, I appreciate it. Do you have any recommendations for a good pair of shoes for walking around the city?
Absolutely. We have a lot of comfortable shoes that would be great for walking. Are you looking for anything in particular, like a certain style or color?
Not really. I just want something that's comfortable and durable.
Okay, let me show you a few options. Here's a pair of sneakers that are really popular for their comfort and support. They come in several colors, including black, white, and blue.
Those look great. Can I try them on?
Sure thing. Let me get you a size 9.
Thanks. These feel really comfortable. I think I'll take them.
Great choice. Is there anything else you're looking for today?
Actually, yes. I need to buy a new jacket for the winter. Do you have any warm jackets that are also stylish?
Of course. We have a wide selection of jackets for all types of weather. Here's one that's really popular right now. It's a down jacket that's very warm and comes in several colors.
I like the black one. Can I try it on?
Absolutely. Here you go.
Wow, this is really warm. And it looks great too. I'll take it.
Perfect. Let me ring you up. That will be $150 for the shoes and $200 for the jacket.
Okay, here's my credit card.
Thank you. And would you like a bag for your purchases?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Thank you for shopping with us today. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too. Hey John, do you want to go shopping with me today?
Yeah, sure. What do you need to buy?
Well, I need to buy some new clothes for work. And I also want to get some groceries for the week. How about you?
I need to buy some new shoes. And I also want to check out the electronics store to see if they have any good deals on a new phone.
Sounds good. Let's start with the clothing store first. Do you have any suggestions?
Not really. I don't shop for clothes that often. But I can give you my opinion if you try something on.
Okay, great. How about this blouse? Do you think it looks good on me?
Yeah, I like it. It looks professional but also stylish.
Thanks. I think I'll get it. Now, let's head to the grocery store. Do you need anything in particular?
Just some eggs and milk, but I'll follow you around and see if anything else catches my eye.
Sounds good. Let's grab a cart and start with the produce section.
Sure thing. Hey, have you tried these new apples before? They look pretty good.
No, I haven't. Let's get a few and try them out.
Great idea. Now, let's head over to the shoe store. Do you have any specific style in mind?
Yes, I want to get a comfortable pair of shoes that I can wear all day at work. Something with a low heel.
Okay, let's see what they have. How about these black pumps? They look pretty comfortable.
Let me try them on. Yeah, they feel good. I think I'll get them.
Awesome. Now, let's check out the electronics store. Do you need a new phone?
Not really, but I'm curious to see what they have. And maybe I'll get a new case for my current phone.
Okay, let's go. Oh, look at these wireless headphones. They're on sale.
Those look pretty cool. Do you think they're worth it?
Definitely. I have a pair myself and they're great. Want me to grab you a pair?
Yes, please. Thanks for the recommendation.
No problem. Now, I think we're done shopping for today. Want to grab some lunch?
Yes, I'm starving. Let's go to that new sandwich place down the street.
Sounds good to me. Let's go.
Hi, do you want to go shopping with me today?
Sure, where do you want to go?
I was thinking of going to the mall. They have a lot of stores and we can find everything we need there.
Sounds good to me. What are you looking to buy?
I need to buy some new clothes for work. I also need to pick up some groceries.
Okay, let's go. Do you have a list of the things you need to buy?
Yes, I made a list last night. I also have some coupons that we can use.
Great. Let's grab a shopping cart and start with the groceries first.
Sure. Do you want to push the cart or should I?
I'll push the cart. You can lead the way.
All right. Let's start with the produce section. We need some apples, bananas, and lettuce.
Do you want to buy organic or non-organic?
Let's go with non-organic. It's cheaper.
Okay. How many do you need of each?
Let's get 3 apples, 2 bananas, and 1 head of lettuce.
Got it. What's next on the list?
We need some milk, eggs, and bread.
Let's head over to the dairy section first.
Okay. We need a gallon of milk and a carton of eggs.
Do you want white or wheat bread?
Let's go with wheat bread.
Okay. Let's grab a loaf and head to the checkout.
Wait, we forgot to get some chicken for dinner tonight.
No problem. Let's head over to the meat section and get some chicken.
Great idea. How many pounds should we get?
Let's get 2 pounds. That should be enough for both of us.
Sounds good. Let's grab the chicken and head to the checkout.
Wait, let's also get some snacks for later.
Good idea. What do you want to get?
How about some chips and dip?
Sounds good to me. Let's get some and head to the checkout.
All right, let's go.
That was a successful shopping trip. Thanks for coming with me.
No problem. It was fun. Let's do it again sometime.
Definitely. Maybe next time we can go to a different mall and explore new stores.
Sounds like a plan. See you later.
See you.